Hey everyone, I'm going to do Buck's chat, all that's a pet deal, and well, look, the dog was going to do just jumped off the damn bed. Rico, Rico, come here, Rico, come here, come here, come here, Rico. I hate when my dogs do this. Come here. Come on, Rico. Rico, come on. Up. Back under that. Okay. This is my dog, Rico. Of course. I wish you would look at the camera. This is my dog, Rico. He is a boxer. And, he's a boxer. He is 11, no, sorry, that was bad. He is 1 year old. Some of the nicknames I give him are Goofus, which is Rico Loca, which is he's chewing on a little piece of bone, which is a cross between Goofy and Goofus, because sometimes he can act like a Goofus, and sometimes he can act Goofy. So Goofus, sometimes Goofy. Air Licker. He's just really, he's a very loving dog. Like I said, he's 1 year old. Some quirky things about Rico. He licks the air a lot. You'll be like 12 feet away and he'll be licking the air and licking it. And you're like, I know where you need, dog. Well, he's a 65-pound boxer. He's very heavy. Ah! So he's not going to pay attention. So, and yeah, he licks the air. And when you talk to him, he gets all excited and he licks the air even more. Let's see. It's hard not to look at the screen on the TV because that's how I have it hooked up. Let's see. For pastime. My favorite thing to do with my dog, pastime, is actually sleep. You know, I love the fact that he will sleep when I want to sleep. I was just thinking a while ago, and he will sleep. So I like taking naps, and when I don't want to wake up early in the morning, like Buck, with Buddy, I like, you know, that he'll lay down and sleep and be nice about it and not want to wake me up. And another quirky thing about Rico is, back to quirky, he tends to whine a lot, like when he can't get toys that are under, he's shoved under the bed, or our other dogs taken under the bed, he whines. He whines a lot. It's really pathetic and funny. And another quirky thing is he's gotten himself stuck under the bed. I guess that's a story about him. And he's gotten himself stuck under my mother's bed several times because, well, he wanted a toy and he couldn't get it, so he decided to go under there. And so pick up your head. So he decided to go under, and he's gotten stuck. And somehow he can always get thrown back under there, but he gets himself stuck. Things about him. We got things about Rico. We got him from a breeder in Richmond, Texas. He was the biggest of all his, and he's looking like him currently at the moment. He was the biggest. He was the largest of his teeth. This is what I mean by the licking thing. He's not normal. No. He's not normal. Other dogs don't do that. That's the quirky licking thing I was talking about. We got him from breeder in Richmond. He was the biggest of his of all his siblings, which are I believe 9 of them. He was the one out of 9. And I haven't seen any pictures of his brothers or sisters. And that is our other dog, which I will do in another video. He just jumped up there. Hey, Kenny, that's pretty good. Did you jump onto Dante? See, I have a Yorkshire. I have a Yorkie like Buck does too. So yeah, and some story about Rico. Stop licking my feet. When we found him, we first got to see him at 5 weeks. Oh, what did Dante do? He's got a patch of hair in his feet. He was licking the wall. He was licking it, and I said, "What a weird little dog." I've got a weird dog on my hands. He's licking the side of the roof of the house. And then he used to do this weird thing when we brought him home. He used to pounce on his toys. He still does a pouncy thing that he and Cagney are going to play right now. He pounces. And if Cagney better not be chewing on any adapters to any computers. And Rico's going to leave now because he doesn't want to do this anymore. But pretty much that's about my dog. That's about my dog. I don't know any other things I can tell you about him. Oh! Actually, there's one more thing. Cagney just Rico likes to dance, actually. He does. He likes to dance. So I'm trying not to look at the screen. I'm going to turn that off. He likes to dance. That's what my Rico does. My Rico dances. That's all I can share about Rico. So I'm just going to... This little dog. Sorry, I turned off the TV so I wouldn't be looking at it. I really don't like stepping in urine. I really don't. Sorry about this, folks.